What's good, boys? Welcome back to another trade recap. In today's video, I'm going to be going over the trade I took today on Kick on Live. Same ICT mechanical model I've been preaching since May. Never will change my model. Same ICT high volume inverse. Join the free Discord. About to hit 1K members. Link in bio if you're new. Follow the Kick. That's pretty much it. Let's just go ahead and get into this shit. Very, very easy day, actually. So overall bias for today came from yesterday. We swept into this 4-hour bearish PD range, swept out equal highs basically on the 4-hour by a tick, inverse this bullish fair value gap to the downside. So once I seen that going to sleep, I knew Asia session, London session would most likely be bearish, and that's exactly what happened. We're closing down, filling orders. So what do I want to see going in today? Going into today, I want to see a bearish confluence get swept with a low time frame IFVG model. Already knew that before going into the day. So going into the day, what target do we have? We have a 1-hour swing high resting inside of a 1-hour gap, as you guys can see. So what do I want to see? I want to see this 1-hour high get swept and have a strong displacement, 1-minute IFVG BPR to the downside, and target some lows. So going into open, we're at 8:57 a.m. currently. The next 1 hour opens. Let's get to open. Sorry if the clicking's loud in the mic, boys. Here we go. But so yeah, we open, display straight to that 1 hour swing high. Like I said, we chop, we get an inverse. The reason I didn't take this inverse, first of all, we chopped. We want to see 1-minute BPR, crazy volume. Yes, this had good volume. We're chopping 2 candles, not too confident in taking it inverse like this. Stop outs are huge too. As you guys can see right off this short, your stop outs gonna be to about 70 points. So too much to risk there, right? So what do I want to see now? I want to see us get a resweep of that high and kind of push into some of our London liquidity. 3 a.m. kind of opening London liquidity and some other London highs resting higher. But wanted to see this displace maybe again and look for a 1-minute BPR, and that's exactly what came. As you guys can see, we ended up sweeping out that high, and then we get a strong displacement candle just like this. This is exactly what I wanted to see. Now I get an A+ opportunity to catch a short today, and this is my exact model. So yeah, we're just entry pretty much on that next candle. I think I got filled right around here, and yeah. Target was going to be 75 points. Took a half position on this. Didn't take too minis normally because, as you guys know, I've been on our expresses for a very, very long time and recently blew my accounts due to some inconsistency with my trading. Just some stupid shit, but I'm back fully trading the model only. Don't care about anything. 1 mini, never over leveraging, never touching anything again. Max I can ever lose in a day is 500. All my shit's strict. So pretty much entered, as you guys can see, on this candle, and we actually displaced from my entry. It was about 36 points, and I went break even. This next candle kind of opened up and stopped me out by a tick, literally 1 tick off. And yeah, ran right to 75 points to get the 1500 on the day. But yeah, we would have targeted this low normal on expresses. This is fundamentally how we would want the trade to go. Ends up going down about 75 points, breaking even by a tick, and then running back down. And then, yeah, if you wanted to hold this, you had big nuts, you were in a big position, you only trade our mechanical model, you only die on stop loss, and you targeted this London low 220 points down, we would have ended up coming down and actually sweeping out that low. If you were patient, waited till about 10:30 for it to come through. Absolute banger. Fundamental trade, 230 points. This is exactly price action we want to see. Nothing I can be mad about. Break even on the day, but the thing is, I know exactly where the market's going. I'm following my risk. I'm not re-entering. I don't have any emotions. If the trade doesn't go my way, then it's fine. At 37 points, halfway to my TP, I'm gonna be going break even. So not really angry with this trade at all. Only value I can really take away from this is definitely. Maybe think about not going break even and just letting it run. But at this point of where I'm at, I want to see this just flush down, especially with that strong displacement on the 1 minute. And I had a really good entry, so not mad at it. Back tomorrow on live. But yeah, that's it for today. Beautiful trade. And yeah, we'll see what tomorrow brings.